Hello everyone. So today we'll see how to install Infacore in Windows. This is Jainam Mehta. So today's agenda of this video is how to register for Infacore trial. What are the prerequisites for installing Infacore? Installing the wheel files with Conda environment as well as the plain Python setup. And after installation, we'll see how to set up a local secure agent to be used with Infacore. So installing a Python or Conda environment is not in the scope of this video, but you can set up your environment using an online tutorial for Python installation. Then you will also need Jupyter Lab to use the extension. Let's start with demo. So you can go to this website marketplace.informatica.com/form/infacore-trial.html. You can fill up all the form and click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will get an email to verify the account. You'll also get the username and the login URL. Once you click on verify me now, it will ask you for your password to set up and some security question. Once you submit, it will create a temporary org that will be of a 30-day trial, and you can use Infacore. Now, to get the wheel files, you can go to marketplace.informatica.com in this particular location. I'll put this in a summary of this video, so you can go to this to download the wheel files that are required for Informatica. Once you click on download now, it will ask you for your login. Once you submit the form, you will get the wheel files downloaded into your system. So once you download the packages, it will download two wheel files over here. So we'll see how to install these wheel files using the plain Python setup first, and then we'll move forward with the Conda environment. So I'll go to command prompt, and this pip install Infacore command will install the Infacore SDK packages to my system. As I've already installed this in my system, it says that it's already installed. Then you will also install Jupyter Lab extension. Once you install that, it will also show that Jupyter Lab Infacore installation completed, as I've already installed that as well. It is showing me that it's already installed. Now we'll see how to install it in the Conda environment. I'll just open a Conda prompt. So this is the base environment. Now I will create a new Conda environment using the command. All right, so this is the command that I'll be using to install the to create the environment in the Conda. So I'll create a Conda environment named Jupyter Lab -ext1. Copy this command, paste it over here. So it will ask you to proceed while creating the environment. I'll click on Y, and it will start extracting and downloading the packages. All right, so once it is completed, you will be activating this Conda environment. I will activate this Conda environment. So I've already created one more environment named ext. I will activate that. Once that is activated, you can install the wheel packages in the Conda again, just like the plain Python setup. Copy this location. use this location and do pip install Informatica Infacore. So this will install an Infacore SDK. As this is already installed, it is showing me that it's already installed. Then I will do pip install Jupyter extension, the version, and it will also install the Jupyter extension. So once that is installed, you can launch Jupyter Lab interface. So as I've installed the Jupyter Lab extension, I'm seeing this icon over here. So once I click on that, it will prompt me a username and password. So once I provide a username and password, it will log me in. And then you can install the local secure agent clicking on this button. So it will prompt you for your username and token. And then once the secure agent installation is complete, you will see that it will show you up and running. So now you can start using Infacore in the Jupyter Lab with this extension. So as a summary, so this is the reference links to the links that I've used today. You can pause this video and click on and go to this links to download, register, and the installation guide. So you can give us a feedback on this below links. Thank you, everyone.